Now, when they talk about wet to wet, this is wet right now, so you can actually add another wet run icing in it to make a decoration for your cookie. So if I drop wet in here, what it does is it actually becomes part of, it flattens out. So it looks like it's part of the original frosting, which is really kind of cool. Let's see how it just, see how it flattens out in there? See how it's flat? Right into it. It melts into it, right. And you can make decorations if you take a toothpick, which of course I don't have handy, but I've got this pin tool.
You can drag it?
You can drag it, right, and make pretty, drag in and out. You can make hearts. You can make starbursts, whatever. Play around with it.
Cool.
Okay. And you're not supposed to hold it upright like I'm doing because it's going to run, but I got to do that for the camera, so forgive me. Okay. That's all I can, that's the best I can do for that. Okay. And then a bow. So let that crust for a second and I'll put a bow on it. Where's my other red? Here it is. So we'll put a number 14 in there.
Number 14 tip?
14 tip for our bow. And this is the stiff red. This is the original red stiff stuff. Tip 14. And all I'm going to do is make a bow. Probably could have used a smaller tip. You can use a just a bow, just a basic bow. I'm not even going to do stripes on it. You could use a smaller. I usually use a 13, but I didn't have one handy. There we go. You can use a round tip too. Cool. Just to make a bow. So you have a little present to put in your little sleigh. But I can't do that because it's wet.
It's wet.
So I'll do it in a minute.
Excellent.
There it is.
Let's get a close-up of the project. That is just adorable. And great tips all day. Thank you so much. Excellent. Wow, that's really good. They are loving it. It's looking great. Terrific. Thank you so much. It's cute. Yep, they're saying.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're going to run out and order that silicone mat.
The mat, yeah.
Yeah,
she's got, seriously, go to, it's simicakes.com, I think.
It's
S-I-M-I,
yeah.
cakes.
Simi Cakes.
And basically, she's got a million different mats out there. All of them are going to work with cookies.
Just
or
excellent.
Chocolate, or isomalt, or
Just
wsee you want to do. It's very
excellent.
versatile, gelatin too. So.
Great. Big round of applause. Tami Utley. Yay!
Thanks, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Merry Christmas. See you later.